Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have Happy Mail today. This is from Gosia at Dolls, Trolls, and More. She is one of my very active subscribers, and I appreciate her very much. Oh, Gosha's channel is really fun. She has reborns that she participates in a lot of reborn challenges with, but she also has other dolls, and she's really fun to watch. She does hauls. She's bought some incredible, she had some haul videos with baby clothes. You can't imagine how much she got for her money. She got some really cute Halloween stuff. I mean, it's really a nice video. I like Gosha's voice, too. If you ask Gosia to do a video or a collab, she has yet to say no. She's just a fun person. Okay, let me do this gently because I have no idea what is in this box. I save all the, oh wow. I don't know what this is, but it's a, you've got to be kidding me. Gosia, I don't even know what to say. Oh my God, I have wanted Logan for, oh my. I think there's a card. Oh, Gosia, I am just, oh my goodness. Talk about a bear hug in a box. Cute card. Marna, I did not see this doll on your channel. If you have him, oh well. Now you have twins that could be a model for future collaboration. Oh, I do not have him. I can't tell you how many times I have looked. I'm absolutely over the moon thrilled. I can't wait to get him out. I have American Girl dolls. I did not get any of them new. And I wish I can't tell you how thrilled I am. I can't think straight. I'm just thrilled. I can't tell you, I should have unboxed him on camera, how easy and nice he was to get out of the box. Oh, look, I left this on him. I'm so excited. I have wanted this doll for quite a while, and I could never find him used inexpensively because, you know, I'm cheap. I love him. Gosia, I am over the moon. Look at his shoes, his outfit. I'll bet these pockets are real. Oh my goodness, look at these functional pockets. This shirt. Oh, he is so stinking cute. Back pockets are functional. I am over the moon excited. Gosia, thank you. Nowhere covers the excitement I have right now. Oh my goodness. And I have in the stores been looking, you know, I buy those patterns to do collabs and that. I have a couple boy ones, but I've also passed some up because I don't have a boy, and those patterns are on sale the day I am opening this, and I just want to jump in the car and go back. Gosia, 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 thank you so much. And please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe below.